Now let's tell you that the Rotary Club of Georgetown Central partnered with the Guyana Water Incorporated to install a public hand washing station at the Stabroek Market.
The Rotary Club of Georgetown Central partnered with the Guyana Water Incorporated, GWI, to install a public hand washing station at the Stabroek Market. The initiative was implemented to promote regular hand washing in an effort to combat the coronavirus pandemic. Andrew Boyle, president of the Rotary Club of Georgetown Central.
We've come together and we're doing an amazing project to help to lower the curve. All right, what we're trying to do is trying to encourage individuals, especially in the market, whether they're visitors or vendors, to wash their hands, because it helps apparently to lower the spread of the coronavirus.
Community Service Director Jeffrey Walcott explained that the organization, with the help of other stakeholders, intend to install similar hand washing stations across Guyana. He noted that the markets will be targeted first.
The reason why we chose Stabroek Market here is because it's a convening point for hundreds, if not thousands, of persons on a daily basis. You have people who are operating businesses from here, daily vendors, so forth, as well as commuters who are passing through the environment. With our partner, GWI, they're hoping to roll out this initiative across the country, primarily starting with the market areas, first in Georgetown and then moving further out along the East Coast and East Bank.
Club members also shared bottles of sanitizing liquids to passers-by while encouraging them to practice healthy hygiene. The hand washing station provides 24 hours service. For InfoHub, I am Kellon Rover.